In January of 2011, we moved into a green building that includes passive solar heating, geothermal heating, and computer-controlled lighting.
However, we believe that we can make Westbrook Middle School even greener.
So we're in the cafeteria for 5th grade, and we're heading over to the recycling and trash bin. There's nothing in the recycling bin, and there's all of that in the trash.
So we decided to take a closer look by collecting all the trash from the cafeteria and sorting through it. It was pretty disgusting because of all the food and milk. Got some cans of recyclables.
To reduce the use of paper, we used whiteboards to list everything in the trash. We also listed all the items on a shared Google spreadsheet.
Then we categorized the trash into recyclables, returnables, reusables, includes composting, and rethinking.
Turn it up, it's time to play.
Straws, foam plate, wrapper, utensils.
Our plan to reduce waste in the cafeteria include providing bins for recycling, returnables, composting, liquids, utensils, and trash.
Also made signs marking the bins to educate other students in the school.
We continued to educate other students by helping them use the bins. We also trained volunteers from each lunch period to monitor the bins for their lunch group.
For 3 days, we weighed everything collected in the bins and crunched the numbers.
We discovered that 10% of the total weight was recycling, 28% was liquid, 57% was composting, and only 6% was trash.
That means we reduced by 94%!
We estimated that the cafeteria generates about 280 pounds per day, and the school district pays $71 per ton to dispose of waste. By reducing the waste by 94%, we can save the school district $1,840 per year.
Our cafeteria education committee is producing a video that encourages students to recycle.
Since collecting our data, the cafeteria managers have stopped using plastic straws and foam plates.
Our food services director, Barbara Nichols, fully supports our efforts and is considering switching to all metal eating utensils.
If we won the zero waste competition, we would use some of the money to set up a cafeteria recycling program in the other Westbrook schools.
Oh, can you take care of her?
The school building includes all spaces except the cafeteria.
We found that there was recycling being thrown away and creating unnecessary waste. There were also 3 returnables in the trash.
We calculated that 27% of the waste being thrown away could have been recycled. A survey of the building showed only 4 rooms did not have a recycle bin. We added to these rooms and we replaced small bins with the larger ones. We made a list, photocopied it, laminated it, and delivered it to all the rooms in the building to help them know what can be recycled and what cannot be recycled.
We also offered prizes as part of the recycling games to tributes who recycled and wrote their name on it along with the phrase, "I recycle."
I'll try if you will. Wake up, it's not
Before our intervention, 14% of the trash we collected was recycling. After our intervention, only 7% was recycling. That means a 50% increase in the recycling rate at the school.
The custodian confirmed our results and reported that they are now emptying the bins twice as often.
We have used a combination of whiteboards and Google Drive documents to reduce the use of paper. We would like to encourage other classes to become more paperless. We hope to include composting for the rest of the school building.
We will continue to monitor the recycling and the trash in the building. We've listed all of the electronics and we are going to use a kilowatt meter to identify electricity vampires in the building and calculate the cost.
Recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. Americans only recycle 5% of the plastics produced in the country. This isn't recyclable.
Recycling 1 ton of plastic saves the equivalent of 1,000 to 2,000 gallons of gasoline.
Every year, Americans throw away enough paper and plastic cups and forks and spoons to circle the equator 300 times. This isn't recyclable.